Machine is ready. Press Run. It will wait your signal. Send signals through the 2 wires. Then set it in the event settings. I just tried to set it. Now it's stopped. All you need is a relay. There's a signal coming from outside. These 2 wires are connected to the relay. If the 2 wires are tied together, it can go a cycle. You need to set where to stop. 2 wires are tied together, it will work 1 time. Tied together 1 time, work 1 time. It is an external loop. What about this pavilion? How to set the stop and start? Go straight here. Press System 311-31133. Remember this password. See this. The current stopping steps number is 3. Then you set event step 3. It will count steps here. If you ask machine to stop at step 2, then you set event 2. It has an output interface and an input interface. The input interface is XU. This wire is an XU signal. Then back out. For example, I ask it to stop when blade cuts down. How to set? Well, I'm gonna cut it off and stop. It is cutting this off now. Then you need to enter the code again. 311-31133. Now the steps are 11. You set event to 11. OK, back out and confirm it. Press Run. It's gonna stop right there when it cuts off. It stops there. Then you could have a relay. If there's an external signal to control this relay, then you're gonna stop every single time. Is that right? That's it. Approximate meaning. Just use test mode to check which step it should stop. Just ask it to go to your required step. For example, you need it to finish stripping, then stop. Then you enter the code. Here are 18 steps. You just set it up at 18 steps. That's the meaning. There's another password. It's 322-32233. Here is XU signal. Just use XU single. It means this device needs an activation signal. Here is a trigger signal. I'll give you an activation signal. There are stop, emergency stop signals. You don't need any of these signals. All you need is an activation signal.